in your face. It's your boy. That boy can cook, y'all. I am back. All right, today we're doing something very simple, very easy, and also it's freezer friendly. That rhymes. There you go. All right, family, we are doing a sausage breakfast burrito. Sausage, egg, and cheese breakfast burrito. Don't forget, family, like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you know what we're doing, when we're doing it. Now let's get to it. Sausage, egg, and cheese breakfast burrito. Love my people, this is what we need to make our sausage breakfast burrito. Yeah. All right, I got the owens sausage. I like the hot, so I got the hot. Got about a cup of cheddar cheese, 3 eggs, 2 tablespoons of butter, and of course, our tortillas, burrito sized tortillas. Now let's put this thing right, everyone. Our skillet is hot, so let's drop our sausage in there. And I'm only using half of the tube because I'm not making a lot. So let's just get the sausage cooked down. We're just going to completely brown our sausage. Just like so. The sausage is where it needs to be. So let's just add our butter. Right. So let this butter melt it down. In now. Alright, our butter is pretty much melted. I would say melted. Okay, now we're going to take our eggs and I just season them, salt and pepper to taste. Let's throw our eggs in here. Just like this. There we go. Now let's get them mixed all in. The sausage and everything. There we go. I'm gonna get me another spoon. I don't want to keep scraping my pan. Alright. As you can see, we're just going to kind of let it stick on me, but that's okay. Let's just get it all, the eggs all in there. Our eggs are cooked, so let's throw some cheese in there. Let's get some cheese mixed up in there, y'all. We're not going to use all of it because I'm still going to throw some inside of the burrito. Fold it on there. And once your eggs are done and you put your cheese in, go ahead and turn your heat off. That way the heat won't continue to cook. It'll start slowing down. Alright, family. I mean, just that simple. It's the hard part right here, y'all. All we gotta do is roll it up now. Roll it, roll it. All right, everyone. Our sausage and eggs and cheese is ready. Look at that. It's that good breakfast. All right, so let's roll it. I already heated our tortilla. You guys, let's make sure we heat our tortillas. We do not want them to crack and break. So we're gonna start with cheese at the bottom. Spread it out. There we go. And we're just gonna fill this boy up how we want him to feel. There we go. Just like that. Don't make it fat. We ain't gonna make it fat. We gotta stuff the insides, y'all. There we go. Alrighty. Let's get this corner right here. There it is. Alrighty. Some more cheese on top of that. Just like that. Now let's get it rolled. And as always, we want to take our ends as such. And let's just get it flipped over to where we can roll this boy. Let's push all our ingredients that's sliding out, push it back in there. Fold our top right here, fold our bottom like that. Same over here. And let's just give it a roll, y'all. There it is. Breakfast burrito, y'all. Yeah, we finna cut this boy open. We finna cut it open. Alright, family, let's get this boy cut open and see what the insides look like. There it is. Breakfast burrito, y'all. Make it look pretty. Yeah. Alright, family. See how quick and easy that was? Very simple, quick and easy, delicious on top of all of that. Let's see. Let's see. Let's find out what our sausage, egg, and cheese burrito looks like. Ultimate breakfast burrito, y'all. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, even share it. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you know what we're doing, when we're doing. That boy can cook, out the place, out your face.